Look at this delicious feast that we're having here at La Maria here in Barcelona. This is Passeig de Gracia, where all the famous stores are. Burberry. You saw all the other ones over there. Guess. All the ones that I really don't care to shop at, but most women do. Lots of fun, lots of activities, lots of cool architecture. Two houses that Gaudi designed right down the street from each other. House of Gaudi. Lululemon, Boss, all the desirous brand, and Chanel's over here. And this is what. Whoa, back up. And don't step out in front of the car traffic. Word to the wise. Follow the no walking signs on the corners. Bulgari over there, Dior, Gucci. I guess the good thing is that window shopping is free. As long as we're just window shopping. Right, honey? We are just window shopping, right? She's getting her pictures in front of all these. And according to my wife, the granddaddy of them all right here. This is the one that got her the most excited when she saw the sign. Casa Angela. I think I'm going to get the fresh anchovies. And I think I'm going to get the salt cod fritters. And Lisa's going to get the seafood paella. And I think for dessert, I'm going to get the Catalan custard cream. Casa Angela. Right across the street from the Sagrada Familia. And these are my cod fritters. I was a little surprised. I was expecting a little bit more. Or anchovies.
Anchovies there.
Yeah, it looks like the anchovies for the appetizer is actually better than my cod fritters. We're waiting for the paella to come out. I'm sure it tastes good though. But let's see. Those anchovies are good?
Yeah.
So,
I love their olives here.
Yeah, the olives are really good.
Really good.
We had good olives last night too, where we ate. Look at that. There's your paella. Does that look good, honey?
Yeah.
Shrimp and mussels. Squid. I forget what this is called, but it looks like
It's chocolate custard.
no, that looks like creme brulee.
Oh, creme brulee.
But they called this
look at
Catalonia.
Wow, it's hard.
Nice and crunchy, huh?
Yeah. You ordered this yesterday. Why you order it again?
Well, because it wasn't called creme brulee.
No, you ordered creme brulee.
Yeah, but this isn't called creme brulee. That's why I ordered this. You know,
Tastes like pop. What is that pop?
Pawpaws?
Yeah.
Tastes like our fruit.
There's the one. No.
Pawpaws.